Hi students, welcome to the much awaited session. This is your general knowledge session by Rolly ma'am. From today, we are going to start general knowledge sessions. And you know kids, this GK is so important as you have a mixture of all subjects in it. It has biology, physics, chemistry, English, social science, physical education, every subject that you study. So, what is general knowledge? It is something that helps us to grow both on personal as well as academic level. General knowledge also helps to grow your confidence level and may prove to be of some great help during some important events of our lives like interviews, etc. So in future whenever you will be going for any competitive exams or any of the interviews, there is a major portion of general knowledge with your subject knowledge. So now you all know what is general knowledge. Now I want to tell you the main branches of general knowledge. So what are the main branches of general knowledge? First is current affairs. Yes, all day to day knowledge, that is current affairs. The second is science. You know science, daily you are studying science by your talented educators, and you all are my kids, you my scientists. Now the next branch is arts, that is all those subjects which are there in arts, whether it is humanities, sociology, psychology, home science, all the parts of arts. And last but not the least, physical health and recreation. So all these things, and with these many other things are there in the general knowledge. So now you know it is muggling up all your subjects. So you all should study general knowledge very well. Now kids, there are many advantages of general knowledge, and today I would like to tell you these advantages in this session. These advantages are, the very first one is better grades. Yes, you can get very good grades because of this general knowledge. When I was at your age, I used to study general knowledge thoroughly. Why? Because with the main subjects, it is the subject which adds up on our grades when overall grades are being added. So you all should learn general knowledge very nicely. The next is, it makes our conversation interesting. Now related to your real life. Suppose you have gone to some place and you are talking with a person. He is talking about some current affair topic and you do have no knowledge about that. So you won't be speaking anything. So he will think that you are just a dumbo. Whereas if you will have the knowledge of that topic, you can have a very good conversation with that person, right? So this way it makes our conversation interesting. Next is effective interaction. Again, take a real life example. Suppose I am your educator and I am interacting with you all, and I am talking on a topic, and some of you are not able to interact with me as you don't have any knowledge of that topic. So what will be your impression on your educator? That this boy or that girl is a dumbo. They are not having any knowledge of this. So you should upgrade yourselves. You should have the knowledge. So this way it will have the effective interaction. Next is, it enhance your public skills. Suppose you have gone to a public place and suddenly someone asks you to come up on stage and speak on some topic, and if you don't have any knowledge of that topic, how will you speak about that? So if you will have updated your general knowledge, you have knowledge of that topic, you can simply go on the stage and speak well. So this way it enhance your public skills. Now students, these were the benefits of general knowledge. Now I just want to tell you, or I think you all must be thinking that ma'am is telling us the advantages and all, and she is not telling us how to improve our general knowledge. So now I am going to tell you the ways to improve your general knowledge. So very first way is very simple, you all can do it very easily, and that is reading. What reading? What to read? Your subject books. You are already reading that. So with your subject books, you can read a newspaper because newspapers have all updated topics, knowledge as well as current affairs. So you can read a newspaper. It will not only enhance your general knowledge but your pronunciation, your reading skills as well. So go for reading and have very many benefits from that. Next is apps on phone. Like these days you can see many apps are there. So many apps of quiz are also there. So you can opt for any of the quiz app and then you can have daily 1 or 2 quiz sessions and it will update your knowledge because they will give the answers also. So if you are unable to answer, your knowledge will be updated. Next is make notes. Yes. Now this is not only for GK, it is applicable for all the subjects. So if you will make notes, whatever you are reading, you are learning, just make the notes in GK as well as other subjects. So after few days also, if you will go through those points, those notes, or everything will be recalled in your brains. Okay, so making notes is a very good habit. Next is social media, and I don't think so I have to tell you much about that because you must be knowing all that. Facebook, Insta, Twitter, Telegrams, there are many means of social media these days. So you can opt or subscribe the news channels over there, some geography channels over there on Facebook or Insta. So whenever you will visit these sites, you will be updated with some interesting facts on GK. So this is how you can improve your general knowledge. So in the today's introductory session, we have discussed about what is GK, how we can enhance your GK, what are the advantages of GK. So I think now you all will start studying GK as well, and I hope this all will help you. Now we'll start exercises from the next session. Till the time, keep updating your general knowledge. Thank you and have a rocking day.